प्यार से सबका दिल जीत लेना. Welcome to episode 2 of our series Trash That Myth. प्यार से सबका दिल जीत लेना. How often do we hear this statement? In television serials, in movies, even in our own homes. Mothers telling their daughters how to be the ideal daughter-in-law, or an elder sister preparing her younger sibling for a path that she herself might have walked on. This is a lovely thought, and one that is important for love and peace to prevail in a household. However, does this statement really work if the love and respect is not reciprocal? When you teach your children to be loving and respectful towards others, isn't it so important to teach them not to settle for anything less either? We have normalized this statement to the extent that we have forgotten that not everyone will be worthy of the love and sacrifice that we have trained our daughters to shower. Winning over hearts with love also requires others to be sensitized towards that love. Love is a very powerful emotion. But it is just that, an emotion that comes naturally and cannot be forced upon anyone. It is definitely not a tool or a defense mechanism. Women should not be burdened with the expectation to win over those people with love who might be not reciprocating the same feelings or may be abusive towards her. In many homes, as soon as a new member enters, she is thrust with responsibilities and is put under intense scrutiny with very unrealistic expectations. She is unprepared and brainwashed. This child comes back to us hurt and distressed because she has not got the same love and respect back. Yet, we push her back into the same environment with the same lesson that says, प्यार से सबका दिल जीत लेना. Blaming her for not being loving or compliant enough. This girl slowly begins to realize that she has nowhere left to go. A healthy home needs equilibrium in all aspects of existing relationships. When the balance of love and respect shift to become the responsibility of just one individual, the ecosystem of a household gets disturbed. And what is left of it is an abuser and an abused person. And no matter how much love this abused person has in their hearts, they cannot win over the others. This is most likely going to be followed by conflict at home. We need to make women aware about things that can go wrong in a marriage. If they are denied their basic right of love, equality, and respect in the same manner that they deserve, they might even ask for it or set boundaries to achieve it. They need to know that if they end up crying every day in a particular household, then it is probably time to reconsider spending even one night in that house. If a woman feels unsafe and uncomfortable in a house that she now calls home, then love and adjustment alone won't help. The entire family might need counseling, intervention, and sometimes even legal help. The critical thing for parents to remember is that they send their daughters back with a false sense of hope. And when they do that, they are denying her the care and support that she needs. She has to go back to a place where she has been abused, hurt, and felt threatened. The next time an incident happens, she will hesitate to reach out for help and will continue to suffer. This normalization of abuse is what leads many women to continue staying in abusive homes and with abusive relationships. We, as a society, need to make our daughters feel welcomed in the homes they grew up in. They should not feel that not returning is an option. They need to know that if they feel uncomfortable, they should walk out of a place with their head held high and not be ashamed at all. Which is why it becomes critical to invest in their education and career instead of saving up everything for a marriage. The day our daughters feel they don't have to be forced to love anyone and that they deserve care and love in return, change will begin, and the shift from such a mindset will arise. We hope you liked today's video. Please reach out to us for suggestions, advice, and tips by commenting on this video. Don't forget to share, to subscribe, and of course, reach out to us if you need more help. Thank you so much for watching.